So, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, today we are here with Infosys free certificates that anyone can apply. So, you will get all the courses with certificate. So, if you are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel and make sure you hit that bell button so that you get all notification on time about the latest hiring certificates, courses, and how to crack series and all. So, make sure you subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any updates. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So if you click the link that I have provided in description, you will go to this page. But I have already registered, so I am directly logged in. But if you have not registered, you will go to a login page. There you have to log in with your Gmail. Basic details only they'll ask. You will log in within 2 minutes. So that's it about the login. So when you come to this page, this is official Infosys website where they provide free courses with certifications. So in here, you will learn about all the courses and job ready courses are available for free, so you can apply this. So I will tell you how to search for the courses you want. So before getting into that part, I would like to tell you to join my WhatsApp channel. So why you have to join this is because I provide all the details about the hiring and notes in this channel before YouTube, because I can't make video every day, right? So I will just post and make a conversation in that channel. So make sure you subscribe that channel too. The link is in the description. So do check it out. See, first you have to select courses and certification boxes. You will get a lot of free courses like generative AI, artificial intelligence for all, and even railway exams. Also, you will get digital marketing also. So everything is free. So there are more courses like there are a lot of courses, even Arduino, like hardware, software. Every courses are available here for free. So you can see even cloud is available here. So there are a lot of courses. Like all the hardware and software, but it is free of cost. You will get certification also. So if you click only certificates, you will get like 128 courses that include full stack, Python developing and all. So you can see as I show you here, see there are a lot of job ready courses like Java, Jira, data analysis, okay, see with React and all. And you have web development also. So there are a lot of courses that are available here. So as you can see, there are hundreds of courses with certification for free. And the advantage is if you do these courses out, it will cost you thousands of rupees. But you are doing it directly from Infosys itself, so that too free. So it is a very good opportunity. Don't miss it. And for example, if I am interested in this course, you can see I can just click this and I can start, attending the course. But there might be some problem like this, as it is shown here. So it might show you that complete all free content to access this course. But so this is simple. You just need to do some course that is free before attending this course. So for that, you can just choose like generative AI. I'm choosing. So in this, you can see there is a start button readily available. So I can start any time, any time I wish. So if I just click start, it will directly go to another page where the course have been started. So this type of courses is like you have to read and understand, and you have to answer the test that is will be conducted at the last. But there are some courses also that have videos. You have to watch the videos, and you have to understand. And like coding, Python and all, you have to only they'll give you videos. You have to study and make notes of yourself, and then you have to attend the test. So if you complete the test, you will get certificate. So I will teach you how that is done also, so keep watching. See, for example, I have completed a course in web development that is completely free, but I have completed this course 5 days before I got the certificate. So it might take 5 to 6 days for obtaining the certificate because it need to be generated. So don't worry about that. Just keep learning, and the certificates will be available for you when it is ready. So this is how you get the certificate. And when it comes to the test, if you start the test, it will be like as shown in the screen. So you will be directed to this page. You have to directly answer in one word. A few tests they will be asking coding also, but that is very simple. Whatever they have taught you, only from that they will teach. I mean, they will test you. So just study this properly and you can get certificates. There are a lot of courses duration 24 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours and all. So just choose whatever course you want, learn, attend the test and obtain the certificate. So this is a very big opportunity because you are getting a certificate from a very good company, and that too for free. So don't miss it. Share it with your friends also. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. And I will meet you with another hiring process or certificate or internship opportunity. So keep subscribed and hit that bell button so that you get all the notification on time. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to check the WhatsApp channel also and subscribe, like the video also. Thank you.